Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm back with another lesson. So tonight we are going to be looking at two words and two words only. Who and whom. Now everybody has difficulty with these two words, but after tonight you're not going to have difficulty anymore. Let's go over and find our little worksheet here. We'll get rid of the view. And here we have it. Okay, now everybody confuses these two words as I said. Who refers to the subject of a sentence, and whom refers to the object of a verb or a preposition. When in doubt, use this simple trick to help you choose the right word. And the trick is really very simple, and you will see. If the word can be replaced by he or she, we use who in the sentence. If the word can be replaced by him or her, then we have to use whom. Let's see how to do this. Study the following sentences containing who and whom. Here's our sentence. He wants to know who makes the final decisions around here. Now, the reason that I chose who is because I can replace who with he or she, right? So he or she makes the final decisions around here. Okay, so that's easy enough. With whom am I speaking? I am speaking with him or her, right? That's why I chose whom in that sentence. Who will pay for this? He or she will pay for this. I can't remember who told me that. He or she told me that. So who is the same as he or she. Of course, he asked for whom I had voted, and I had voted for him or her. John is the guy who got the promotion. He got the promotion. To whom it may concern. It may concern him or her. That's why I chose whom in that sentence. I know who your sister is. She is your sister. Who helped the old lady cross the street? He or she helped the old lady cross the street. The woman whom you spoke to last night is my cousin from France. You spoke to her last night, and that's why we used whom. Do you know who ordered a pizza? He or she ordered a pizza. He is the one whom she loves spending all her time with. She loves spending all her time with him. Whom should I tell first about this? I should tell him or her first about this. Louise is the girl who won the bike. She won the bike. To whom was the collection letter addressed? The collection letter was addressed to him or her. I'm not sure who called for you. He or she called for you. Do you know who made this salad? He or she made this salad. The waitress, whom we just hired, is really friendly with the customers. We just hired her. Who ate my snack? He or she ate my snack. You gave it to whom? You gave it to him or her. Her friend, who lives in Toronto, stayed with us for a week. He or she lives in Toronto. For whom did you make this beautiful sweater? You made this beautiful sweater for him or her. Donald is the man whom she trusted most. She trusted him most. These lovely flowers were sent by whom? These lovely flowers were sent by him or her. She is someone with whom I would like to converse. I would like to converse with her. And that is why we choose one or the other, who or whom. So if you've had difficulty with that in the past, just study that lesson and you will be fine in the future, okay? So if that video helped you, please go ahead and put a little like on it, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below or just say hello so we can see you there. Also, if you're having difficulty with your English and you want to improve quickly, you can get yourselves a copy of Basic English. This is the 3rd edition published by McGraw-Hill and available everywhere, including Amazon, of course. When you get a copy of this book, you start at the very beginning, you complete every single page right through to the end of the book. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. If you purchase the book, don't just leave it on your shelf. You actually have to do the whole book, and you will see an incredible difference in your English. Also, if you're having difficulty with your verb tenses, you can get yourselves a copy of English Verb Tenses, also available on Amazon. This will help you to master your English verb tenses with which so many people have difficulty with. No reason to have difficulty with English verb tenses. It is very easy to master them. Okay, answer key at the back also to support you while you are learning. Also, I have a new Facebook page. It's called Learn English with Julie Lachance. So I put up lots of stuff over there for you guys as well. So you can go over there and check it out. For now, I'm going to wish you a pleasant evening, and I will see you guys, you know where, in the next lesson. So good night for now.